Okay, I'm back to cut the infamous Mike's sign. I don't know if this doesn't work. I may need a new design. Maybe I put too much heat in one spot. I don't know. Thanks to Primeweld, I've got my torch back together. The new innards, fresh consumables, and got the metal all clamped down where it's not as warped. Let's give it a shot and see what happens. Run. I'm very interested in a torch height control system for this, but in the interim, keeping your metal clamped down as flat as possible and making sure your consumables are maintained goes a long way to still being able to use this thing. So I'm pretty happy with this one. Alright, there's the sign, Mike's Workshop. After I hit it with a flap disc to clean up. There wasn't much dross because of the new consumables, but there was a few of the fish cutouts that were stuck in there, so I had to break those out. Hit it with a flap disc just to clean off any edges that might get people's hands. And that's it. I'm pretty happy. Thanks.